Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Paramount Plus and fix sign-in loop detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into Paramount Plus and fix any sign-in loop issues, begin by opening your preferred web browser or launching the Paramount Plus app. Navigate to the Paramount Plus website or app. Click on the sign-in button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Now, input your password in the next field. Click the sign-in button to attempt to log in. If you are experiencing a sign-in loop, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. For web users, go to your browser settings and find the privacy or history section. Select the option to clear browsing data, ensuring that cookies and cached images are included. Once cleared, restart your browser and revisit the Paramount Plus login page. If using the app, you can usually clear the app cache in the settings of your device. For iOS, go to Settings, tap on the app, and find the option to clear data. On Android, go to Settings, select Apps, then Paramount Plus, and look for storage options to clear cache. Now, try logging in again with your email and password. If problems persist, ensure your internet connection is stable. Consider trying a different device or browser to identify if the issue is device-specific. Check to see if there are any reported outages on Paramount Plus by visiting their official social media pages or status website. If you're still stuck in a loop, you may want to reset your password. To reset, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompted instructions to receive a password reset email. After resetting your password, return to the login page and input your new password. If you successfully log in, you can now enjoy Paramount Plus. If you continue to face issues, reach out to Paramount Plus customer support for further assistance. Provide them with details of the problem for a quicker resolution. After troubleshooting, you'll hopefully regain access to your account and enjoy your favorite shows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.